In this video, I'll show you how to share your Möbius class link with your students. A class link is a URL that's automatically generated upon class creation, and it will appear in the class details pane when you're creating your class. You can see it here. Your class link can't be edited, but it's unique to your Möbius class. It allows students to directly access your class so that they don't need to go through a learning management system like Blackboard or Canvas. They can just follow the link that you provide and they'll be automatically enrolled into your class. But remember, in order for students to successfully use your class link for self-enrollment, you'll have to set the who can self-enroll into this class property as either all students or students with a class link. Check out the Manage Student Enrollment help topic for more on this property. To get your shareable class link, navigate to your class homepage and click the Class Info button. You'll see that the class link field contains a URL. You can click the Quick Copy button beside the URL to copy the URL to your clipboard. You can then distribute this URL, maybe by sending a blast email to all of your students, for example. When your students click on the link, they'll be prompted to either log into Möbius or create an account. After that, they'll be automatically enrolled into your class and land on your class homepage. And that's how you share your class link. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video to be helpful. Want to see what else you can do in Möbius? Be sure to check out the links to the Möbius online help in the video description, as well as our other Möbius video guides. Subscribe to the DigitalEd channel to be the first to know when a new video comes out. And don't forget to hit that like button.